Hi, I'm Amit Satra and I'm born and brought up in Goa. I am working in Powerland Agro Tractor Vehicles and I hold a designation of Chief Design Officer. I am an avid automotive enthusiast and because of my passion, I've always keen on learning about what all automotive has come up with. I was looking for certain courses which is already available in the market, and I was thinking like whether the courses are relevant to the subjects which is my interest. And I found out BITS is the only course which is providing me all those specifications what I really want to learn and without a career break. The courses such as material science, then mechatronics, then crash analysis, okay, these are one of the very key subjects what any automotive engineer want to know. And BITS Pilani is actually providing with all these courses with a remote lab where you can actually perform and understand how it works. The BITS has one of the very great facility for automotive engineering where you have a setup of lab, you have a dyno, you have two different vehicles with two different engines, one of Mercedes, one of Skoda, and you can actually change the tuning and you can see how it works on the dyno. So you can actually understand like how you can change the vehicle performance and how actually the emissions are reflecting. So I was really excited with all these things after knowing that okay, this is the only course where I will get my hands-on experience as well with the boot camp. Students are invited to work on the labs, interact with the faculties, and also exchange knowledge with the other students from the automotive batch. And people from different level of experience share their knowledge, and you interact and you try to relate it with your course, and which helps you out at your work field as well. So this is something very different to be offered for this particular course in automotive engineering. And the professors are really great. One of the best professors I could name is like Mr. Sajid and also Mr. Raghuraman. Okay, they hold a really immense amount of knowledge and they come also from the motorsport background. So the teaching style is really amazing. It is really challenging to actually have a right balance with your career and with the academics. And sometimes when work comes up, even if you miss the lectures, you can actually go back to the recorded lectures and have access to them. The course is actually designed with a lot of quiz, assignments and case studies, which actually gives you the classroom feel. Overall, my experience with BITS Pilani has been amazing, and students who are actually seeking higher education without a career break, then BITS Pilani is the right place for them.